The day of the vaccination, I was excited and enthused by the fact that finally the vaccine is here and finally there is something more than the mask to look forward to. I am Dr. Jitendra Nagpal. I am heading the Department of Pediatrics at Sitaram Bhartiya Institute of Science and Research, New Delhi. I was part of the COVID preparations of the hospital as the epidemic broke out in March 2020 and have been actively involved in the COVID care committee. It depends on who you ask. The importance of COVID vaccination for myself and me is primarily to do with the fact that I am exposed almost on a continuous basis to a high risk environment. I work in a hospital with children who can many times be sick. So the masks and hand sanitization and social distancing and all measures being in place, this provides an extra layer of protection towards the disease and ensures to some extent that I don't get the disease, my friends and family members stay safe. There was some apprehension that whether there is going to be some fever, some pain, something which adverse which was being reported as known side effects of the vaccine. However, I didn't get anything. I was quite fine. I received the vaccine. There was a bit of pain at the local site, which is expected with any intramuscular injection, but nothing. That also lasted for a day or two, and I was fine. The same thing happened with the second dose, and it went off quite well. The rollout and implementation also was quite smooth. I didn't see any problems either for myself or any of the other colleagues who were receiving the vaccination. I would recommend that all of my family members, all of my friends should take the vaccine because, as I said, the vaccine is the only way to win this war against COVID. There is no scope for any hesitancy. There is no scope for waiting for better options. There is no scope for some sort of reluctance in terms of participation in this campaign, because finally the only thing to be afraid of is the disease, not the vaccine. The disease has consequences which are far more serious than any vaccine can ever be conceptualized to have. We can have a positive attitude towards everything and move forward. You can always perceive the glass to be half full or half empty. It is your perspective. But at the same time, I would think that the vaccine offers some protection. Some protection is always better than no protection. The whole idea is that you can keep waiting for the ideal solution, but ideal solutions many times are never available in medicine. That is the nature of disease, and that is the nature of medical science as a whole. And over a period of time, better solutions may emerge, but till such time we can't keep with our fingers crossed and keep praying to God.